This fabulous anti-pollution hydrating face mask is really the perfect treatment to help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress that we are exposed to every day as a result of pollution and blue light. By some estimates, we spend around 50% of our lives staring at screens. This increased blue light exposure comes from the sun, the screens, indoor lighting. It can cause skin damage, including color changes. It can cause inflammation, and it can weaken the skin surface, leading to accelerated photoaging. Both indoor and outdoor pollution intensifies the signs of aging skin. The anti-pollution hydrating mask is really excellent to help repair and protect against environmental stressors and urban pollutants. It helps reduce inflammation, brightens the complexion, and protects the skin from free radicals. It shields the skin from infrared, UV, and blue light damage. It provides instant and long-standing hydration. The unopened mask can be placed in the refrigerator for a more intense and cooling treatment for 5 to 10 minutes. Wash the face, and before using, remove the front and back panels of the mask. Gently place the mask on the face and adjust its position for comfort around the eyes and the mouth. Press gently with both hands to help the mask adhere. After 15 minutes, remove the mask and massage any remaining serum into the skin for maximum absorption. You can use this product in the morning or the evening on cleansed, dry skin up to twice weekly.